here, Dori Soukup again with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Maggie from North Carolina. Maggie says, I watched your webinar on how to become an influencer. By the way, you can watch that on the free InSPAration page on InSPArationManagement.com. In it, you talked about writing a book. Is it really that helpful to become a published author? And how can I do that when I work full time? Good question. Thank you for asking it. The thing is, all of us almost work full time. But it's all about how much you want to be a published author, because then you will find the time. You'll do my method of time blocking and you start blocking some time. But actually, I have a better answer for you than that. We work with many Medi-Spa owners, physicians, nurse practitioners, entrepreneurs who own a business. And since you watched the webinar about being an influencer, you know in it I talk about how to attract people to you by being an influencer yourself. Well, the best way to do that is by improving your own positioning. And what a better way to improve your positioning than to have author right next to your name or your resume. Or if somebody comes to your website and they see that you've written a book. As a matter of fact, I've written 3 books. I just published my 3rd book, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. And I'm a very busy person. I do over 100,000 miles of flying a year. I'm working on my 2nd million miler with Delta. So I work. I'm busy. But yet I found the time to publish a book. And not just me. We have so many clients. Actually, this is our newest published author, Jeff and Stephanie. They just published their book on Master Injector, and they did an amazing job, by the way. And if they can do it, so again, can you? But let me tell you how we can help you, actually. Maybe you have not found out yet about becomepublished.com. If not, you need to go and visit that site, becomepublished.com. On that site, you'll see a seminar that we actually host, where we actually write a book in 1 weekend. Now, of course, you're not going to have it like this in 1 weekend, but we're going to get the content down in 1 weekend. And I have an entire process that I take you through to become a published author. So if depending on how fast you want to move, you can actually be a published author within a couple months after that weekend we spent together. Then we design your front cover, your back cover, we list it on Amazon, and then I show you how to market yourself, how to become that true influencer on the site and other social media platform. I show you how to get media interviews so you can help your positioning and become that expert, become that go-to person within your community. So is it worth it? 1000%. When I published my first book, my business went on steroids and it keeps growing more and more and more. My company grew 52% last year. Part of it is all because of positioning. So positioning is so important. When people see that you are the expert, they're going to be drawn to you and they're going to want to come and spend money with you. So for sure, it's an important part of your marketing mix. Now, is it everything? No, but it definitely is a big chunk of positioning for you and your business. So we have helped literally over 100 people actually become published authors. And if they can do it, and again, they're all busy individuals who are not just sitting around. So if they can do it, if I can do it, so can you. So go check it out, becomepublished.com. See how you too can become a published author. If you want more information, give my team a call or set up a strategic session. You can get that from the website. Just click on it. See what you would like to improve about your business, and we can help guide you and show you the best way to do it. So thank you so much for your question. And if you too have a question, make sure you email me at Dori@InSPArationManagement.com so I can answer your question too. Until next time, let's become published authors. By the way, you can get my new book on Amazon or on InSPArationManagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.